Hello guys, this is my two-stroke Seadoo GTI LE model 2005, and I have a problem with the hard start, especially in the water, and I wanted to record this video to help anyone because I was researching a lot what can be cause of this, because I replaced the pistons and rebuild, so engine is totally rebuilt, replace all the gaskets, crankshaft seals, like everything, spark plugs, of course, is brand new. And after that I have a problem in the water to start after driving 10 minutes, so I was need to play quite a bit with the throttle to eventually start the engine.